edition of Christmas Melee. You know, Kellen challenged Mark and I to compose a bunch of new songs.
The easy way to go about doing a holiday album is to just remake our versions of songs that have been sung for years and years and years. But I told these guys, if we're gonna do this, you guys gotta come up with 50% new songs. Because, you know, to release an album for Christmas, during the Christmas season, you're working on it all through summer. So I said, if we write new music, it's gonna keep us excited about this and keep us going, and you know, it's new. And these guys, they pulled it off. They compiled 9 out of the 13 new songs. One day, when we were recording on Kauai, Lihawa and I had to go and attend the funeral. And so Mark was gonna stay home. And right before we left, we tasked Mark with he had a job, and what he had to do was write the missing piece in our album. We're going over the songs, and we felt like we had a song for every single kind of feeling that you get around the holidays, except love. Except being in love. So a Christmas love song, we're missing that.
Mark composed this song, and it's very simply stated, but it gets right to the heart of the matter. At Christmas time, guys seem to show more of their sensitive side. Yeah, Mark?
Very sensitive.
Very sensitive, yes.
How many of you guys know what we're talking about? Make some noise.
Nobody's gonna admit it.
Everybody look down at that.
They're not gonna admit.
You know.
It's okay.
You know.
It's alright.
You know, you gotta walk into like the jewelry store all by yourself, and you just feel like a victim, yeah, because the workers, they see you coming, and they're like, he's buying a present, he's mine, no, he's mine, and they converge upon you like that.
He needs to, because it's a day before Christmas.
He's desperate. He's walking out of here with something.
We're gonna do this song simply titled "There's Something About Christmas." Hope you guys like this brand new Christmas love song.
Look at you glowing with holiday cheer. I know how you love when Christmas is here. You smile, you to me 24/7, just like a new love. It's like you're in heaven. There's something about Christmas. Gentle reminder of the love that we share. Oh, Christmas. Look at you wearing your heart on your sleeve. You hold me tighter on Christmas. I love listening to you, singing along to some of our favorite Christmas songs. There's something about Christmas. Love fills the air. It's a gentle reminder
love song called There's Something About Christmas.